Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Subhan Sindhu Kalhodo from batch 2K17 in Business Administration, Sindhu University, Campus Larkana. This video is an assignment given by Madam Shagufta Salim Sheikh in the subject Corporate Finance, and the topic which I will discuss is present value. So, let's start. Present value. First of all, the question is why we find present value. We find present value in order to know about that what amount we have to invest today in order to get the future targeted value. Suppose I want to earn rupees 2 lakh in 5 years. So I should know about the amount today I have to invest in order to get 2 lakh after 5 years. The formula of present value is PV equals to FV upon 1 plus I power n. We can also write it as PV equals FV 1 plus I power minus n. So let's solve an example. I have data. If I want to earn rupees 150,000 with a rate of 6% after 9 years, then what amount I should invest today? Let's put it in the formula. PV equals future value, which is given here, FV. PV equals 150,000 multiplied by 1 plus rate of 0.06 k power minus 9. Let's solve this first. .06 cap minus 9. The answer is 0.5918. 0.5918. Then we will multiply it to 150,000. Let's see. We will multiply it to 150,000. See, the answer is 88,784. So the amount we have to invest today, present value we have to invest today is 88,784.76. So this is how to find present value and why we find present value. I hope you will understand it and enjoy it.